Welcome everyone. Chill, just cook, back at it with another great recipe. Today we're cooking up some pepperoni pizzas on the Expert charcoal grill. Let's go. Pizza oven, everything you'll need. Some pepperonis, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of flour to dust the slide, scoop for the tomato sauce, some tomato sauce, and you're good to go. Chill, just cook. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit that like. Yee. Got the lump charcoal by Expert Grill. Oh yeah. Gonna spark up the tumbleweeds and get the lump charcoal going. Oh yeah. I'll throw a little bit of flour on here or semolina so I'll slide off onto the stone real good. Oh yeah. Yee. Everything you'll need to make some pepperoni pizzas. Of course, the pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of flour for dusting, scoop for the tomato sauce, some fresh dough. Come out really good. This Expert Grill is a charcoal burning oven and it cooks the pizzas really fast. Oh yeah. Let's spark up the tumbleweeds, get the charcoal going. Tumbleweeds are starting up. Gonna put the charcoal on top. Oh yeah, lump charcoal. Let that burn for a while. Be good to go. Put that in the back of the pizza oven. Heat up the oven. Then we'll throw the pizzas on. The charcoal goes right here. Got a little bit already in there. And some pieces of wood. When I add the real hot charcoal on top, that wood will light on fire and make the oven even burn hotter. Let's go. Got the temperature gauge. Probably want to get it up there around 700 degrees. Be good. Oh yeah. Charcoal's going good. Take a while for it to light up and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching everyone. Yeah. Oh yeah, got the Expert Grill getting up to temp. Preheating it, I want it to be around 700. That'd be a good number right there. Even hotter would be great. Heating up. Oh yeah. Chilling with Petey. What's up, Petey?
Hey.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, about to sauce up the pizza, put some pepperoni and cheese on it, throw it in the oven. Sitting at 800 degrees right now. Oh yeah, going real good. About to sauce it up, throw it on the oven. Yay. Oh yeah, about to sauce and put some cheese and pepperoni on the pizza and throw it in the oven. It's sitting at 800 degrees right now, perfect temp. Let's go. Just got some of this store-bought pizza sauce. Gonna throw a good amount in the middle. Get the spoon, start from the middle and go like that. So you go like this, push it out to the side. If you need a little more, you can add more. I think I need a little more. Not too much, not too little. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. Putting the pizza on, pizza sauce on. About to throw on some mozzarella. Let's go. Got some mozzarella from Trader Joe's. Looking good. It's a good amount right here. Oh yeah. Throwing it on, throwing it on, throwing it on. Looks good. Put some on, be good to go. I'll throw some pepperonis on. Got the pepperoni. Let's go. Just a good amount right here. Oh yeah, I got the pepperoni. Let's go. About to throw it in the oven. Thanks for watching, everybody. Yay. Oh yeah, throwing it in the oven. Yay. About to throw the pizza in the Expert Grill charcoal pizza oven. Let's go. Got the pizza, throwing it in. Got the pizza in the oven. Gonna be turning it every like 20 seconds. Oh yeah. All right, about to take the pizza out the Expert Grill charcoal pizza oven. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, looking real good. Nice. Let's cut it up. Oh yeah, nice fresh piece of pizza. I'm gonna take a bite. Mmm, real good. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh yeah, pizza came out looking really good. Nice crispy crust. Pepperonis look good. Cheese is melted real nice. Oh yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Chill, just cook. Yay. More pizza videos on the way. Just practice right here. Keep up the grind. Appreciate it. Yay.